Trishdóg Eintramugs an Dúna Clí bhí deis úntachanis ag Cill Dara a Ranghain B. Ina going a bhí Carlow, for an grib géir gá chud a bua le híslú céime go rangadó a cheachant. Cucacu a hara fló an lá. Mí hála Trisláán as ón O'Neill a haman tráthreachta.
Jerry Keegan agus Deisión Dave Lena de Cill Dara counts on good mirú to Karen Trasnall. Deisirísin on Tunford Gahar Gumma Branche to mark agus a reach Coununta ag Paul Dolan Tinta Arousan son ag Jack Tracy piece of skill Mahanson to Farlashti Tracy squealing sé Fea Dwashe ag a Terra again. Son ag Paul Dolan for sé Cooley níos lua Tasbon to score all of Untug ag Cill Dara Gadisha. Spot to the Jackson ag Tim Ryan agus tá Lewis ag Barricade and Ryan and Dulles Jackishan stop a reach ag Cool Bora. Murch Kirk fake and pass ship all ag Buaicphointí Dara Gearan shots inside Cill Dara Cool agus tá sé nada Celine Tá. We're going to Deisión side Lacey Tá. That you laid Juk Lehla sub hip point Lacey Tá agus Cool. Ever though, Nish Iris, the Carlow cake, Tashdell, agus and Todd Terglow, Tom Coolica, Bruin son, agus and Brisha, Chasna, Cooliver, Tree, Tant, agus Paul, Godine and son. Bua Igadera, Ace Gumai Cill Dara.
We've never been here, as everyone's well aware, but we knew we needed 6 points to definitely keep us up and not rely on score difference, so we're just happy we've done that now.